we have broken a bit of the bone here. So it's not, so we can take it from the shoulder of them. So it is 37 on this side and 40, so almost 3 centimeters.
The anterior, that's what you're saying.
A for anterior. That anterior means it's facing front. This is all posterior. First mock surgery. This was after the osteotomies, after all the bony cuts, 1, 2 and 3. There is a huge gap. We cut around 10 millimeter of bone this side. Now this time we are planning 5 millimeters so that this gap is not there and the bone is straight. This cut was perfect, so we have maintained. This was a 5 mm cut and we are persisting with the 5 mm cut. So now we have made all the calculations and corrections, and now in the second surgery, this is the second time that we have done. We have done all the calculations. So there is no gap this side.
Yes.
It's all closed. Second is as before, and this is the third cut. So you can see the bone is straight. With the cuts, there is no gap. That means the bone has been cut to the perfection. That's the whole idea. Why we do the mock surgery? Because in the real patient, once we cut the bone, we cannot replace the bone. So we have to be accurate to the millimeter. Right? So this is the final picture.